Hey everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and right now I have some advice for you on how to effectively manage and handle tenant conflicts. Okay, conflicts are going to happen no matter how great of a manager you are or your property manager is. So what you need to know is how to effectively and efficiently handle these problems and move forward so the problems don't interrupt your future cash flow. Okay. And what we see commonly is that owners will emotionally involve themselves with issues and not make clear decisions. Okay. They're thinking with their emotions, they're not thinking on a business point of view. Now, a great example is this: a tenant's refrigerator will break, and inside there's food that spoils. And the tenant will come and say, "Hey, I lost all my food. You owe me money for it." Now, most leases, just like ours, state that the tenant is 100% responsible for that appliance in the event that it breaks. So, what do? Most owners will say, "Sorry, not my problem." However, that will make the tenant upset and that will stain that relationship moving forward. Okay, so they may move out sooner, they may stop paying rent, or they may spread word around the house that this is not a great manager. Whatever it is, it's not a great situation. So what you want to do is this. We call it the one freebie. So you tell the tenant, "Hey, I know that you're responsible for this refrigerator, but in good faith, I'm going to provide you a rent credit in the amount of the food that you lost. However, moving forward, this will not be the case." Very great. Simple solution. Give them that one-time credit and set the boundaries. Set the playing field for the future. And I guarantee you that this type of approach to all problems will lead you down the success trail. So once again, this is Gregory Rice here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.